The Naseto 1080p HD camera drone is equipped with a high-definition camera and a 90-degree adjustable lens, providing stunning aerial views and seamless live footage transmission. This drone offers a comprehensive set of beginner-friendly features, including one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, altitude hold, and adjustable speeds, ensuring a smooth flying experience. With exciting functions like 360-degree flips, gesture-based photo and video capture, and trajectory flight, this drone provides endless entertainment options for users of all ages. Designed for portability, the drone folds compactly and weighs less than 249 grams, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures without the need for FAA registration. The drone's sleek black design, coupled with its ease of operation and full functionality, makes it a perfect gift for both kids and drone enthusiasts. Naseto provides reliable after-sales support, ensuring users can enjoy their drones without worries, thanks to their 24-hour service availability.